Hi, my CS students. I am Fatima Kagalwala and I am here to guide you how to write your ICSI exam papers and get exemption marks. Follow these simple strategies which I followed and got a rank in my professional exams. First, most important thing is write your seat numbers and other details in your answer sheets clearly by using only a blue pen. Your entire answers has to be written in blue pen only. Next, when you are getting your exam papers, question papers 15 minutes before the time, kindly analyze it completely. See which questions you want to attempt first and prioritize those questions. Write clearly with legible handwriting, which is easier for the examiners, and with a good legal language. You can attempt in your own words, but your language has to have a legal touch. Detail answers with provisions and sections. If you know the provisions and sections, please cite those provisions. And if you do not know it, if you have a doubt, please avoid writing those provisions in the answers. All your questions which are asked, they are either in form of short notes or comment or a brief for discuss about the following. Write all the answers in point forms. Keep a pencil in your hand, keep highlighting the key points which you feel are there in your answers which you have given. And again, if you're writing the sections and the provisions, highlight those sections and provisions for a better presentation. Incorporate relevant case laws. If you feel that this particular question has a similar facts and which is involved in a case law which you have already studied, if you can, you please cite it and give us summary findings of that particular case law. Time yourself for the entire exam paper. Your motive and your aim should be to complete your entire 100 marks paper. Okay, kindly not leave anything. If you attempt full 100 marks, your chances of getting exemptions are really high. So manage your time, allocate your answers, the amount of time you give to the answers, allocate them wisely. 5 marks, 7 minutes max, 3 marks, 3 minutes max, and allocate it in a manner that you are able to attempt each question properly. Importance of attempting the full exam paper, we all know it helps you give a comprehensive presentation of the knowledge which you have and helps you get better marks. Key takeaways which is important from my side, and I want all of you to keep this in mind, and these are basic things but they are very important. Please reach the center before time. Okay, see that you are not running late. Reach there before 15 minutes at least. Have your timely meals, take proper sleep, and carry all your belongings, stationaries with you. Avoid borrowing. Once you are done with your paper, once you are out from the hall, please avoid discussing the paper. Okay, kindly refrain from discussing the paper. It is already done. You cannot do anything about the paper which is over. Concentrate on the next day. All right, so this is not going to help you discussing of the papers. So keep this in mind, and how to write the papers, or how we should kind of what should be there in a given answer. I have made a sample paper for you, in which I have also written a few answers based on the marks given, okay, allocated to that question. So you can follow this basic uh, guidelines and strategies which I had followed and I had got a rank. This will also help you get good marks, at least over 10-15 marks. You can get more than what you have expected. So see the way I have written, the neat writing, handwriting, point wise, writing the question number, the sub question, okay, answering them in point form, writing of the sections, underlining the sections. Do not use any shortcut. Companies Act is not CA. It is Companies Act. Mergers and amalgamations. Special resolution is not SR. Okay, so please avoid using any kind of shortcuts and short forms. Write it clearly, neatly. You can, of course, based on the time, you can increase or decrease your content as far as you are giving a proper answer which is relatable to the question asked. You are going to do really fantastically well, and you're going to get really good marks. Okay, so wishing you all a good, and like, I have all my best wishes for you all. Please attempt well, do well, and stay connected. Bye.